When I was in high school, I thought it would be cute for me to do pink and blonde finger waves, and so I had, my hair was cut short, not this short, but it was like a cute cut. Like I had like a cute little, I had like the Rihanna haircut in high school. So I had like the little long on one side, short in the other, short in the back, long on one side. I had that whole situation going on, and I kept that for like freshman year, junior year, all the way from freshman to like maybe the beginning of junior year. I don't remember, but yeah, I had it most of high school. And so my junior year, I decided that I wanted to do, let me just tell y'all this quick story. So I decided that I wanted to do pink and blonde finger waves for whatever reason. I don't know why. I always have these spontaneous hairstyles that I want to do. And so I decided I wanted to do this hairstyle, and I had a relaxer. And at that time, I was just doing whatever I wanted with my hair. Honestly, I was just like doing whatever I wanted to do. Did not care. And my mom is a cosmetologist also. And so this, of course, was before I was even like knew anything about hair. I was just doing my own little kitchen beautician thing. Girl, I caught myself giving myself a relaxer, and I had color in my hair. And when I tell you, my friend was over my house and I was experimenting, and all of a sudden I ran outside we went to the ice cream truck. You know, I was just outside, I put the relaxer on my hair. I'm like out at the ice cream truck doing all this, doing all of that. And then I go in the house to wash out the relaxer, and my hair is falling out in clumps. In clumps. Okay, I was devastated. I was crying. My friend had to go get my mom. My mom was just like, oh my gosh. She was just taking my hair like out the sink in clumps, just throwing it in the trash. It was just so devastating. So I learned my lesson with that. But of course now I am natural, so I'm not going to make that mistake again. But it is just a matter of just like, why did I even think that that was okay? And my mom told me that was going to happen. She was like, don't keep doing all of this stuff with your hair. Like, your hair is fragile. You need to take better care of your hair. And I was just like, okay. And still doing what I wanted to do. Look at the growth. My hair has grown, y'all. Like, that's just 3 months. When the last time I cut my hair was maybe right before my birthday. April, May, June. Well, now it's July. So yeah, that's almost 3 months, and my hair has gotten so long. So I just put some, this is just regular bleach. I'm not showing y'all how I'm doing that because I already have the video of how I actually how I actually do my like blonde. So I figured like y'all probably don't need to see that again, but I'm just pretty much going through combing the bleach through my hair so that everything will be nice and even, because that's the only thing with this hairstyle. I find that I'll be having like yellow patches in my hair, and I'm like, okay, this is not even even. So it's kind of annoying when you already do all of this work and then you find yellow patches. So I hope that it's nice and even. I'm just amazed at how, yeah, I just want it nice and even. I'm going to attempt to do some finger waves on my hair. So let's just see how this goes. But yeah, I'm gonna probably let this stay on for like another 25 minutes or so. I'm gonna do some other little stuff. And yeah, we're gonna get back into it, and I'll be back when I rinse this out, shampoo my hair, condition it, and I will be back. Ooh. I got hair, y'all. Look at that. From baldy to these. Okay, we're gonna see what it's giving. We're gonna see. I'm gonna attempt to do some finger waves. I haven't did finger waves since I did Stay Bored. And with Stay Bored, you only had to do one finger wave to pass. I rinsed out the bleach, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start to attempt these finger waves. And yeah, hold on, let me see if I can like get it a little bit lighter. So yeah, this is what my hair looked like so far. I left on, I can't really see the back. I feel like I want a mirror for the back of my hair, but I don't even know how I'm going to do the back of my hair. But so I like to part my hair on the side. My hair looks really, really blue because I left on the shimmer lights, I think a little bit too long. So that's why it looks blue like this. But yeah, so the products I'm going to be using, the fireworks have begun. The products I'm going to be using to attempt are the Eco Styling Gel. Y'all know a lot of people really, really like this. I like this. I used to use this for various styles, but I really like this because it's flexible and it doesn't leave your hair extra like flaky. You still have a little bit of movement and it doesn't leave it like greasy either. You know how some gels like leave that greasy look. So yeah, I don't like that. I'm also using some wrap lotion as well. This is the infamous, just a regular moisturizing wrap lotion. I know I've been using this for a little while as well. And my got to be to finish off the whole look and set it before I go to bed. Now I'm also going to be using some of these wrap papers. These are just like styling wraps that you would just wrap around after you finish to kind of like set it, you know, your hair in style, and you know, keep it the way it needs to be. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm really nervous because I never did this before, but I'm gonna try to also do it on camera. So let's see. Okay, so I like to part my hair on the side. I watched a lot of videos. I don't know how I'm going to attempt to do this in the back. Don't judge me if it don't come out if it don't come out cute, then it just don't come out cute. But I'ma still wear it because what other choice do I have? I don't have no wig prepped. So okay, I'm gonna start off with the wrapping lotion. I'm just gonna see, put it everywhere. Honestly, I like my hair this length. At first I was like, I don't like my hair this length because it's too long. It's coming from cutting it from like the Amber Rose look, but I'm starting to grow into liking it like this length. I think I'm gonna keep it this length, no shorter, no longer. I like this length, but my hair just be growing so freaking fast. Like, I think I also need to get some more of this wrapping lotion. Okay, so I'm gonna just lay it all the way down, get that little part. I'm gonna play around, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I can't do finger waves on myself. I never tried it on myself. Yo, I'm over here playing. It's harder to try and do it on camera also. So, and the whole purpose of this video is to try and attempt to do it on camera. Y'all, I can't tell how it looks. Hold on, I need like a mirror or something. Okay, I need a mirror. I missed a whole like row back there. And I hate how the middle of my hair is like hella like, hold on, okay, let me try this. Okay. Let me try this. This is harder than it looks. Like, y'all know people be making it look like super easy when they just be doing it, but it's hard to do it on a camera and it's hard to do it looking into a mirror as well. I'm just like, okay. I can't see the back of my head and I'm trying to do it before it dry. I know that finger waves was like really a struggle in hair school. Like, we were all hella scared to do them, and it was like a part of the state board. Like, you had to do finger waves in order to pass. So I'm like, I know I did it before, but like, how did I finesse it? Like, no, they were mandatory. Finger waves was mandatory for us. I don't know how this is looking. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. And I feel like I'm missing pieces. Oh my gosh. let me get it together. So I somewhat got it a little bit more. This is pretty much what I did, y'all. It's not perfect at all, but I think with some practice, I would definitely finesse it a little bit better. But I definitely want to be able to show y'all like step by step when I get better. I'm gonna definitely practice some more. And now my hair is like hella short, so I can like practice with it a little bit more. But I think, oh, I can see a little bit better to get that part. I think it's some people who just be like zoop 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 zoop. Like I want to be like that. But I think right now this is what I'm gonna have to do because I don't want it to dry. And now I can't really see. It's like when I put my hand up, I can't see. I'm really struggling. The struggle is real over here, okay? But anyway, I'm trying to do my hair so that I can go to sleep, put this scarf on and go to sleep. I definitely don't think I'm gonna work out now in the morning because I don't want my little waves to be all matted and sweated down when I take off my scarf. Like I don't want my waves to be all matted. But this is really about to be my go-to for summer, y'all. Like seriously, it's about to be my go-to because I just did the swoops real fast and then that was just it. Definitely a go-to summer hairstyle for short hair babies like myself. If you giving baldy, I really think this is like a real cute, quick go-to style. And I'm with it. Like I like it. I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. Like I just want like a quick little style. I don't want nothing too complicated, you know. So just a quick little style, something I can just throw together real quick, and then when I get back, I can just fix my hair or maybe throw a wig on. But honestly, with as quick as I can finesse this style, I really feel like this will just probably be like my little go-to style for the summer because of how easy it is to finesse these little waves. I think for my first time trying, it's not too bad. It's definitely like I need to improve on the consistency of my waves, but I think that it looks like it's just going to give. But I feel like if I was able to stand in a mirror where I'm like further away and I can kind of see a little bit better, I might be able to finesse it some more. But it's harder than it looks. Okay, I'm gonna spray some of this on it to keep it in place before I put my scarf on it. I hope that don't make it like, oh, remember Pump It Up, y'all? Remember to Pump It Up back in the day? Okay, I'm gonna spray a little bit of Pump It Up on it. Please, Lord, don't let my hair get curly. You know, once your hair get curly, that's a wrap. And I'm natural, and I'm gonna be in the desert. Oh my gosh. This is my first attempt on doing finger waves on my own little hair, and I think I did, like, it's not the best, but it's not the worst either. Let me hurry up and put my scarf on before my hair starts drying. So I already sprayed it down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on. Oh y'all, look, I can see better when I turn this way. Okay, let me hurry up and put my little scarf on because I don't have time. All right, I'm gonna put this on. You know how it is. I'm trying to put this on without it being all. Okay, and now I'm gonna put my scarf on. I'm gonna put my scarf on. Okay, so I put on my scarf. Hopefully in the morning it's not frizzy, but I have a silk scarf on, so I really just want it to dry like this. Honestly, I have my dryer. My dryer is in storage though, so I don't have my dryer like I would like to, but we're gonna see how it turns out. I'm gonna keep y'all updated, and I'll be back in the morning after I get ready and everything, do my nails, do my makeup and everything, and I'll show y'all how it looks. So this is the end result of my hair the next morning actually, and so I really like it. It's really pretty. I wish that the waves would be like a little bit more cohesive with each other, like flowing together, but I'll let y'all take a look and you tell me what you think. This is what the back looks like. I just put on a scarf. I sprayed the finishing spray, the hairspray on there so that it'll stay intact throughout the whole weekend. And yeah, this is my weekend look. So I'm really excited. I'm happy with the way that it came out, but I do want to make sure that I'm definitely practicing on this, because baby, I think this is gonna be my summer go-to look. The blonde with the little finger waves. Like, I think it's really a vibe. Very simple, easy, and still looks really good. So thanks guys for watching my how-to, or how I did my finger waves on myself for the first time. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment your thoughts and any helpful techniques that you use when you're doing, if you have short hair like how I do, if you're doing these types of looks, tell me what works for you. And yeah guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.